So I was standing on stage at this big music festival. There was a huge crowd there. I was watching a band called Modest Mouse play. And I'm an audio engineer. I was actually working that day at the festival a little later in the night, but I was watching the band play, took out my phone to film a little bit, and thought it would be cool to walk from where I was, stage left, to front of house, through the crowd, through the security, through all that, out to where my mixing console was set up for the show we were about to do later on. So I did that, I filmed it, and I'm going to talk through a couple little things as we watch it together. So you can see I am stage left here by all the monitor mixing desks. Every band at a certain level will bring their own audio consoles along, both for monitors and front of house. And in fact, the band I was working for this night, we brought in not only our audio consoles, but our microphones, our mic stands, our mic cables, pretty much anything that we need to make a show happen, we brought in ourselves. And as we start to walk to front of house, we go by a couple of my colleagues who are of course dressed in stagehand black. And then you can see the racks here on the left, which are the Avid stage racks for our front of house consoles actually. Oops, I put my finger over the lens there for a second. And I'm gonna walk down through past security here. I remember the security being really nice at this festival, which isn't always the case. And around to the front of the stage where we have the subs, the front fills, more security. We have camera people in here filming the crowd to put up on the iMag, the big video screens for the crowd to see. And we keep walking out here to my front of house world. Now, this is a walk I do all the time. I'm at so many of these big festivals, and it's fun to kind of share the experience with you via video here. But out to front of house, you can see my Avid S6L console. This is the console that I used to mix the show that day. And stepping over to visit my friend Jacob here, who is an excellent engineer. He's been mixing Modest Mouse for a long time. He's also using an Avid S6L and killing it. He's making it sound great, even though Isaac, the singer, isn't really having that great of a night. And that's what we do as audio engineers. We take whatever's coming from stage, even if the band, the artist, is not having a good day, we make it sound as good as we possibly can, so that the audience and everyone involved in the show has a great concert experience.